I have a dream that one day Filipinos everywhere will take over the world. But in order for that to happen, we must remember the Filipino way. And that is why I am here. I am Super Pinoy Boy.
What is that? Where's that sound coming from? Hey! Hello?
Hey there, Spider! We have no fear.
Who are you?
Your Super Pinoy Boy is here.
Super Pinoy Boy, I can see your...
Exactly, pare. It is time for me to show you how to court the Pinoy way. You have to be nice, make her heart flutter like butterflies. First you have to go on a date with her friends, and when they approve, you can go ahead and make that kilig move. Tell her that you like her, and sana she'll like you. You have to take it slow, give your love some time to grow. You have to court her long, if you want your love to be strong. You have to do it right, and court her like a shining knight. And that is how we date. You must court her the Pinoy way.
Okay.
Hoy, wag ba't Pinoy boy? Super pala, sorry. I just want her love ASAP. Wag kang agad-agad, just take it slow. If you don't, she'll feel like she's just a hoe. Intro yourself to her mom, be a good boy, and it won't be long till you win her heart and make lambing to her dad. Make sure to say po and politely let her parents know you're into their daughter and you will date her right. Now that you won her friend, this is the first step to the Pinoy dance. You won her parents.
Is it time to have sex?
No, you can't. You have to court her first. Enter her Pinay universe. That is how today you must court her the Pinoy way. Dancing up to her windowsill, Harana skills will win her heart, and give her lots of gifts, small or big, she'll be killing. If your love is strong,